Good evening, everyone. I'm very, very happy to be here today. And I want to thank media for coming here today and supporting our team and supporting Shyam Singh Roy, Malayalam version. And also I want to thank Panorama Studios for distributing Shyam Singh Roy here in Kerala. I want to thank Rafiq Ahmed sir for writing for our film, and we're very, very thrilled that he accepted our request. Thank you so much, sir. And so thanks a lot for the distributing the film in Kerala. I am this Shyam Singh Roy is a lot of friends and people from Malayalam have told me that they have watched a lot of films on TV and on OTT, a lot of Telugu films and a lot of my films. Shyam Singh Roy is going to be my first film in a way, releasing on the release date here in Kerala, and I'm very, very thrilled about it, and I want to see how you will all enjoy the film here. And just not me, a lot of Telugu people since last 2-3 years have been watching a lot of Malayalam cinema, and we have all become big fans of Malayalam cinema, and the kind of concepts, the kind of content, the kind of performances Malayalam cinema has been delivering, we are all in awe. And I thought when I watched all those films, amazing Malayalam films, thanks to the streaming websites and all that, we are getting to watch a lot of Malayalam cinema nowadays, because now we have a way to watch films, and because of social media we keep hearing which are the good films, and then we get to see those films. And then whenever we see Malayalam cinema, they're very content rich. So when I wanted to see if my films can be released in Malayalam, I didn't want to come with a very commercial pot boiler, because I knew the Malayalam audience will always look for something, which is, with great content. So finally, I've been thinking from a long time, which film can I, make my first film in Malayalam. Then I decided, after watching Shyam Singh Roy, then I told my producer that maybe this is the right film for me to come to Malayalam cinema and wish everyone here. So here I am today. I'm very, very happy to be here, and the film has shaped up very well. And the thing about Shyam Singh Roy is it's not a very native film for a Telugu audience or for a particular. We can't really put it in any bracket. I think the concept of the film is very universal. As much as Telugu audience will connect to Shyam Singh Roy, I'm confident Malayalam audience will connect to it, and Tamil audience will connect to it. And because the story, the idea itself has a great mood and great vibe, and I'm sure you'll all feel the emotions behind the story. And I'm really hoping from here afterwards, I'm really hoping I will do more and more content-rich films, which I can proudly come and present here every single time I do. And looking forward, I have a lot of favorite actors and favorite directors in Malayalam cinema, and I hope the films we get here will also stand next to those amazing films. And Shyam Singh Roy is the first one in that lot. December 24th is the date, and I'm really wishing to see you all in theaters. And thank you so much once again. It does feel like I have come here a lot of times for shoots and all, but this is the first time. In fact, I got a lot of love from them, Malayalam audience when each are released here. And then again, there was one more film which is called Ala Modlaindi in Telugu, and it was dubbed as Angane Thudangi in Malayalam. I remember coming to Cochin for promoting that film, but that was actually 11 years back. And after a long time again, I'm coming here. Even Jersey got a lot of appreciation from the Malayalam audience. So this is the first time we are releasing Striton Theatre, and I think we are coming with the right film. We need all your blessings. and need media support. Once again, thank you so much for coming here today to support me and my team. And yeah, thanks again. And December 24th, Shyam Singh Roy, in your own mother tongue, Malayalam. Thank you.
It's like a Pillai Samindar, Nenu Local. It's like a boy next to town, boy next. But after Gentleman, we see a sudden shift towards, say, Nani 2.0. So what was most fascinating about that change?
I was growing older. I can't be playing the love stories at the boy next door forever. So I thought I need to start early, so that by the time I actually grow older, I'll get a lot more matured roles, because Name Local and Village Zamindar, all that is roles of a student. So I can't be playing roles of student when I'm 37 years old. You know. So I thought I'll prepare the audience before itself that I want to take up challenging roles. And when Gentleman and all those roles also became a hit, I'm glad today I've reached a place where I was offered a Shyam Singh Roy kind of a role, and I'm happy that's the reason I'm here. Yeah.
What was the most exciting fact about Shyam Singh Roy?
Most exciting fact is the idea of the film itself, and also for me as an actor to play two different roles from different timelines. One is in 2021 and one is in 1969. It's quite a challenge. At the same time, it is very, very exciting at the same time. So I think that's my favorite part. Yeah. My parent was that. Thank you. Yes. Oh no? I don't know why that came. That's my son saying that. Because I was in Shyam Singh Roy Get Up, he was saying that I look like a lion.
We should actually appreciate the one who shot the video, the one who caught the candid moment.
Yeah.
So, any questions?
Yeah.
What are the challenges that you have faced to portray two different characters in one movie?
Not really much of a challenge, because I thought it was fun. And to actually, most of the challenges were faced by my team members only, because they have the art department, art direction by Avinash made the whole period thing look very believable. Costumes by Neerja made the whole art costume very believable, and then cinematography by Sanu John Varghese. He did some great Malayalam films also as a cinematographer. So all these guys worked so hard on our characterizations and how we look in the film and all that. So for me, it became very easy. I just had to focus on my lines and getting the emotion right. So yeah, I think it was very challenging. It was actually so much fun to play those two roles.
Actually, this is your second film with Sai Pallavi.
Correct.
And what your experience with her?
First film, me and Sai Pallavi did, MCA, which was released in 2017, same December end, during the Christmas it released, and it was a blockbuster. So then itself we both thought to ourselves that next time we come together, it should be something very away from MCA, and also at the same time very content rich, something which will also have a lot of scope for performance. And that's how. And after like 3 years or something, we are coming back with Shyam Singh Roy. And when this script was, when I heard it, when she heard it, and when you okayed it, and when we met, we were thrilled, because this is exactly the kind of film we wanted to come back together. And now, just before the release, we saw the film, and we are even more happy that this is a perfect second film for us in our combination. Now, I think after Shyam Singh Roy release, whenever we come back next time again when we do a film, I think there'll be a lot of expectation on us. Yeah.
Can you share a good moment with Sai Pallavi or Malar?
Yeah, Sai Pallavi is Malar for all of you. One good moment, I don't know what to say, but I think the first day of our shoot together, we shot the climax, and we shot one of the most important scenes of the film. That's the climax scene. And the first day of our shoot itself, we knew we have a great film in our hands, because the scene that came out so well. And then we told each other that I think we are on spot. If we don't even need to go through the rest of the shooting. The way the climax, that scene came out, we were so confident that we already made it with this film. Yeah, that was very memorable because it gave us that immense, immediate satisfaction of doing a great film on the first day itself. Yeah, which happens very rarely. Particularly during the lockdown, I think I watched all Malayalam films, and even now when I put on Amazon or Netflix or any of the OTTs, when I get time, I love watching films. If there is a new Telugu film and if there is a new Malayalam film, I will go try Malayalam film first, for sure. And then I watch a lot of films and I watch a lot of arts films, Prithviraj film. I'm a big fan of Mohanlal sir. And lot of films. Ayappanam Kosham, I love the film. I heard the Trans didn't do well here or something like that. We loved the Trans. It's a lot of people in Telugu love Trans a lot. And I saw driving license, and saw a lot of films. Lucifer, I loved it, and I can go on naming all Malayalam films back to back because I really enjoyed so much. And actually, our favorite thing to kill time during the lockdowns was to watch Malayalam films. Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
My name is Lever. I have been watched Jersey more than 120 times.
Thank you. 120, I didn't watch so many times.
Because I know the times because whenever I feel negative, I suddenly go to the movie and watch.
Watch.
My father is like 100% Arjun. Because I have been waiting for a big moment to enter up to cinema.
Okay.
It's been 4 years. I am 21 now, and when I am 16, I started.
In cinema, what you want to do acting?
Screenplay, writing, and direction.
Direction. Okay. So your railway station moment is waiting. So you're waiting for your railway station moment.
I have already screened 2 times.
You screamed already. So you got your first big break then. Opportunity. From assistant director to actor, I think definitely acting is a little more comfortable, luxurious job than being an assistant director.
Okay.
It was very difficult when I started off, when I didn't know anything. But I think today what really helped my acting career was my assistant director days. Because that is when I got, I've understood cinema, I've understood cameras, I've understood lens, I've understood the basic things about cinema. So that made it little easier for me to understand acting or understand how the acting, whatever we act, how the end product is the most important thing. It's not about that single shot, or it should always be about the film. And I've understood better when I was an AD. And it definitely, I will say today, one of the major reasons I've been successful in my acting career was because I was an AD before.
Actually, we are also following that path. I am also an assistant director in acting.
And you're planning to be an actor?
No. Become a director.
Become a director. All the best. All the very best. Yeah. Shyam Singh Roy is a complete fictional character. And but there are a lot of details we incorporated into the film which are from the real 1969. So it will always almost feel like the story really happened, but actually it's not. It's fictional. Yeah.
Was this film planned as a multilingual right from the beginning, or the decision came in between?
Decision came in the beginning itself when we heard the story. Not beginning in the sense, not immediately as soon as we okayed the project, but once we started shooting and we realized that this is actually becoming better and bigger than we ever thought, then we thought this is the film, we should take it to all the South languages. Yeah.
And artistic point of view, there is artists who have a digital value, box office value, and a satellite value. So I just want 2 answers as a producer point of view, from an actor point of view.
Okay. What exactly is the question? What should we prefer?
Yeah, from an artistic point of view,
Yeah.
from a producer point of view.
From producer point of view or an artist point of view, end of the day, when theaters are thriving, when we don't have lockdowns and all of that, 100% any day, only thing which can amplify cinema, which can celebrate cinema is theaters. We can only the kind of watching alone and watching with all of you sitting in one dark room in one theater is a different experience. Like for example, two of my films released in OTT. So people who wanted to write the review first, they straight away skipped it to the climax. So that is a big danger for cinema in that way. So any day as an artist or a producer, as an audience most importantly, I will say theater is what really celebrates cinema in the truest form. Again, when there is a lockdown or when the situations are not supportive, then as the producers can take that call of releasing it in OTT because that is a feasible option then, and it makes complete sense. Yeah. To sit here in Cochin like this and talk to all of you is very, very exciting. And to think of it, I was thinking I was an assistant director, and one of the films when we were shooting, we had to shoot with a lot of kids. And I still remember all the kids were Malayalis. And I was an assistant director. So I had to stand next to the camera and show them the hand and ask all the kids to look at my hand. And I remember the only line I have learned in Malayalam, because I need to tell all the kids, was Ellaru ivide nokunu or something. Is that right? Yeah. So sitting here seeing the Malayalam press, I am remembering that dialogue. Ellaru ivide nokunu. Look at me. I am here to promote Shyam Singh Roy. Malayalam director. Thank you. Yeah. What?
Can we expect you in Malayalam?
I would love to, like if, now I was just telling my next film, Nazriya is acting, and Fahad is a good friend. And Nazriya was just telling me, whenever you come to Malayalam film industry, decide to act, you should act first in Fahad Little Friends. I said, yes, done deal. I said, I will do it. Yeah.
Sir, actually, my name is Pradesh Shekhar. I am from India News. My question is that right now we are doing the Shyam Singh Roy promotion and your movie Eega. We called Icha in Malayalam.
Yeah.
And one satellite channel, I think already they have telecasted more than 250 shows of your Icha.
Yeah.
And you have a big audience for Icha. Even kids also still watching
Correct.
Icha, and they are getting more than 2.5 rating.
Yes, still. After
Last shows
250
also,
premieres,
yeah.
yeah.
250 premieres also.
Yeah.
So, what you need to tell about that kids audience?
I feel very, very blessed and happy because the kind of recognition Eega, which is Icha, Nan E in Tamil, had given me, I can't believe that too for a half an hour role. I'm there only for 30 minutes in that film. But whichever state I go, from the kids to families to youngsters, everyone recognizes me because of Eega. So I have to be thankful to Rajmouli sir for that and for that opportunity. And I'm so happy for the kind of love I'm getting for that little role I've played in that film. And luckily, even though I'm there only for half an hour, for kids and all, the fly is me. So I'm getting a lot of free credit and free love, so I will take it all. Yeah.
Sai Pallavi's Premam movie is the biggest hit in Kerala and South India also. Did you watch Premam? And
I watched him. Oh, I loved it. Yeah.
okay, what about Nivin Poli?
Oh, he's a very good actor. Nivin Poli, Dulquer, and all the actors. I think Mummy sir. I'm like I can just go on and on. Yeah, a lot of films I watched. Like I said, I was watching a lot of films recently, Malayalam films recently, and I think everybody did a great job. Even Bangalore Days is one of my favorite films.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Like and subscribe to Channel Kerala. Channel Kerala, a channel by NBC Broadcasting Limited.